The CBI, in its detailed response to Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, has said that the investigation into the Sushant Singh Rajput death was conducted in detail in several cities, from Mumbai to Faridabad to Manesar to Hyderabad to even Patna.
The CBI, in its letter to Dr. Swamy, has also written that latest scientific techniques were used for investigation, and also during the course of the investigation, advanced mobile forensic equipments are also used for investigation. Relevant data were retrieved and data dump were also analyzed by the agencies. Also, the data of cell tower locations of the people involved, or rather under question, were also analyzed by the agency. Last but not the least, the CBI has also stated the fact that the CBI is looking at all the aspects and no aspects are ruled out as yet. That means that the angle of murder has not been ruled out as yet.
Sushant Singh Rajput's post-mortem report was under the scanner. Now the CBI, in its letter to Dr. Swamy, says that the Delhi forensic team visited the site of crime and also the mortuary at Cooper Hospital. It also discussed with the autopsy surgeons the manner in which Sushant's post-mortem was conducted.
In the 5 or 6 broad points made by the CBI in its response to Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, one key aspect that has been looked into is that of independent sources who have shared information on Sushant Singh Rajput and the circumstances that led to his death. So they have examined witnesses, details from family members, and also independent sources.
The CBI has responded to Dr. Subramaniam Swamy's letter written to the Prime Minister on 30th July 2020, demanding a CBI probe into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. The CBI, in its letter, has written to Dr. Swamy that the team of CBI officials investigating the death of the late actor visited the incident of crime on numerous occasions to ascertain the circumstances that led to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. The CBI has also written that the best forensic experts were roped in to examine the location, and also the team of the best of forensic science laboratory experts were also roped in to examine the location. And at the crime scene, the simulation exercises were also carried out in a scientific way to ascertain the crime scene.
The CBI, in its letter, says that it is conducting a thorough and professional probe into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. The CBI also says that it is using all scientific latest techniques to conduct the probe. No angle will be left out or ruled out.